Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix no sound after a Windows 11 update. First, restart your computer. This may seem simple, but it often fixes the issue. A restart helps Windows finish installing updates and drivers properly. Next, check your audio output and volume. Look at the speaker icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on it and make sure the volume is not muted or too low. Also check that the correct output device is selected, such as your speakers or headphones. If the sound is still not working, run the built-in Audio Troubleshooter. Open Settings, then go to System, then Troubleshoot, and click on Other Troubleshooters. Find the Audio Troubleshooter and run it. Follow the steps on the screen and let Windows try to detect and fix the problem. Another common fix is to update or reinstall your audio driver. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Find the section called Sound, Video, and Game Controllers and expand it. Right-click your audio device and choose Update Driver. If that does not work, choose Uninstall Device instead. After that, restart your computer, and Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. These steps should help restore your sound on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.